Connecting your service management platform to the rest of your tech stack shouldn't require complex, brittle custom code or expensive third-party middleware licenses. That's why we built a native solution right inside your ecosystem. Let's take a look at the Xurrent iPaaS. iPaaS is accessible instantly through the Xurrent App Store and through the waffle icon. This is a fully production-grade visual integration marketplace designed for speed and scale. And the layout is structured around two simple concepts: solutions, which manage your global connections and secure OAuth credentials, and runbooks, which are the logical workflows that map your data. Building an integration is completely visual. You can use drag and drop triggers and actions. And if something isn't configured correctly, the system immediately flags it in with a red, clear inline error messaging. You can simply upload a sample payload to generate an instant schema to test this out. This creates interactive data pills, allowing you to visually map source data directly to destination fields without typing code. And you can test your integrations immediately inside the built-in factory. So you can run a simulation, catch graph errors instantly, iterate, and fix issues before going live. If you need to handle complex data manipulation, the platform supports native Ruby logic for advanced field transformations, alongside built-in schedulers in order to automate some of those heavy data synchronizations at the interval that you choose. And once you're happy, you can hit the promote button to deploy that instantly to production. Best of all, you can safely iterate on drafts in the background without interrupting live integration traffic. It's native, it's secure, and it's incredibly powerful integration infrastructure that is built directly in Xurrent. Xurrent's iPaaS has been running in the background in production live since 2025, and we're making it available to all of our customers from this July onwards.